Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, January 31st. And the headlines, we got some very windy conditions today. Winds could gust to 30, 35 miles per hour. And again, up around 30 miles per hour tomorrow. So with temperatures in the upper 30s, it won't feel all that warm with that wind. Snow showers across the area this morning, but the best chance of accumulating snows are going to be once you get up towards Clare, Harrison area off to the north, where a couple of inches or several inches could fall up there, and just some snow showers, maybe a mix of some sprinkles across the southern part of the state. A more important system will move in for Friday night through Saturday night with some overrunning precipitation. That looks like it'll bring us about 1 to 4 inches of widespread snow across the state. We should see more as you get near the snow belts, maybe 4 to 6 inch type snows there. And then we're going to repeat this whole setup with the snow as we get into Monday night and Tuesday night. Again, as warm air tries to push into the cold air, it won't make it, but it'll certainly create another overrunning situation. We could see, again, a couple or a few inches of snow at that time. For Tuesday, we had a high of 24, a low of 15, a hundredth of an inch of melted snowfall, or about 1/10. We're at 23 inches now for the year. If we look at the climate data, our normal high is 29, the normal low is 12. And you can see on this date back in 1914, we had both the record precipitation, 1.61 inches, which translated into 15 inches of snow. 40 years ago, we had a record high of 49. And then 100 years ago today, we had a low of 17 degrees below zero. And January is going to end up slightly above normal, but really pretty close to normal right now at 7/10 of a degree per day above normal. Temperatures around the area this morning in the mid to upper 20s with all the snow cover, or with all the cloud cover and a few snow showers. Middleton Station looks like it's down. We'll get that up and running here shortly. And if we look at the satellite view this morning, you can see that warm push of moisture and zonal type of flow that we talked about yesterday that was out west now coming into the Great Lakes. And as it hits this cold air, it is producing a little bit of snowfall across the area. The best chance of snow will be across the UP and in northern lower Michigan. You get up towards Roscommon areas from there northward. Looks like a couple or a few inches of snow could fall. If we look at the radar this morning, you can see that area of scattered snow showers moving through the area. We may be clipped here in mid-Michigan with these with this next band of snow with the cold front. But again, you can see where the heaviest snow is going to fall well off to our north. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see this area kind of a triple point. From that area to the north, it looks like will be the best chance of snow, and that'll be across northern lower Michigan. And if we look at the precipitation here over the next 7 days, you can see we continue to increase the amount of precipitation. And again, a lot of this is going to be with temperatures in the teens and 20s, so that's going to be about a 20 to 1 snowfall ratio. So you can see where we could easily pick up over 4 inches of snow here over the next 7 days, maybe even closer to 6 or 7 inches across the area. And you can see, if we look at the GFS 8-day, you can see it shows a 7-inch snow in Elma, 6 inches at Mount Pleasant, much of the Saginaw Valley, even 3 to 5 inches across southern lower Michigan. So it does look like we have a decent chance of seeing at least several inches of snow here over the next week. As far as the forecast goes today, looks like highs will be in the upper 30s with strong winds gusting to 30 to 35 miles per hour, and we'll have strong winds tomorrow. Again, temperatures tomorrow will start out in the mid-20s. We may jump up to about 27, 28 degrees, and then during the day, we're going to see temperatures fall all day long with that gusty winds down to about 7 above zero tomorrow night. And then as we get into Friday night and Saturday with that warm air trying to move in, we'll see snow break out, about 1 to 4 inches of snow, and then cold conditions with a low of 8 on Sunday morning with a high of 17. So pretty cold and wintry weather coming this way. As far as weather watch, you can see winter weather advisories across northern lower Michigan into the eastern UP. And that's about it. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.